Welcome to my channel. Today we have a video on the new boAt Nirvana Space Airdopes. I bought this from Amazon for Rs 1799. The package looks premium. I purchased the infinity blue color. Other colors available are celestial white, cosmic black, cosmos green and pink punch. Inside the box we have a user manual, some stickers, additional ear tips and a Type-C cable. This one has 360-degree spatial audio, 11mm diamond-like carbon DLC drivers, ANC and up to 100 hours of total playback time. There are 4 mics with AI-ENx and supports boAt Hearables App. Multipoint connection with Google Fast Pair allows connecting 2 devices and easy switching. The sound quality is simply superb. You will get immersed in the spatial audio. Multiple equalizer options are available in the boAt Hearables app. The spatial sound can be switched on or off. Along with clear mids and highs, we will also get deep bass. I like this very much. Purchase link is provided in description if you are interested to buy. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet soon with another interesting video. Bye.